Hi everybody, I'm going to read this information. So let's start. The I meervat en ster heel vielen ster often intense, laat vrouwen vasten en are clearly directed or caused by someone or some circumstances. Positive I modified include disintegrate, relief, lack, and can withstand. We must fear positive and dig to or by and ways trained to be positive and search for. Negative I meaningful include eager and safety, fear, gear, faint, sickness, envy, and disgust. Well, the second activity is about animal pair. He said, cat, bat, white, whites, red, road, kite, night, tate, step, coat, cot, pin, bean, tilt, peel, teach, pitch, date, page, dick, pick, dick, peel, dog, buck, date, bay, talk, car, tour, cool, tape, cape, top, coat, toe, go, tip, guide, tap, gap, tour, goal, tack, gag, table, gable, tin, fine, tail, fail, tongue, funk, tick, back. Where the next, which is street, is about intonation. A statement with one stretch. She works, we lax, it stopped. A statement with two stretches. Tongue is reading, Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. A statement with three stages. She don't like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. A statement with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He grew the letters very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. A statement with five steps. Alice grew the letter very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you broke yesterday. Special question, filing intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. What's your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard this news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request raising intonation. May I speak to ella, please? Could I speak to Michelle, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question raises and failing intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read book in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That question, failing or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Should I? Comments, failing intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Asking for help. Request rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Asking to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence failing intonation. Is going to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address raising intonation. Hey, can you hear me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating raising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and some tomatoes. We need paper, pen, and pencil. Response. I can't cheese. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't. Well, this is all for now. So God bless everyone. See you soon.